Hi, this is a question on averages. It came up in IFT previously. Let's see what this says. In a B school, there are 3 levels of faculty positions: professor, associate professor, and assistant professor. It was found that sum of all the ages of the faculty members is 2160 and average age is 36. So the total number of people will be 2160 by 36, which is 60. So there will be 60 people in the college. The average age of all the professors and associate professors is 39. Professor, associate, and assistant professors. Average is 39. If I take these two, this will be 39. Associate and assistant is 32 8 by 11. This two will be 32 8 by 11. And professor and assistant professor is 36 2 by 3. Right. Had each professor being 1 year older, associate professor being 6 years older, and each assistant professor being 7 years older, their average would have been increased by 5 years. What will be the number of faculty members at each of their and their average ages? So you need to find average number of faculty at each level and their average ages. Instead of calculating, let's use the options. The total number of people should be 60. This is 40 plus 20, 60. This is 42 plus 20, not 60. This is out. This is 60. Also, now, if you add up associate and assistant, it is divisible by it. The total should be a multiple of 11. 11, 11, that is fine. Okay. If I add the professor and assistant professor, the total should be a multiple of 3. This is 36, this is 46, this is out. Now, given the parts, we can just use this to check if the final part is met. Okay. Right now, the average is 36. I would directly mark here A, but just for the sake of none of these, let's use the last one. Had each professor been 1 year older, so that's 46. Each associate professor being 6 years older, so 41. And each assistant being 7 years older, 37. The overall average would be 5 years higher. So it should be 41. Overall average should be 41. Now, if you look at it, 16 and 24. 24 is already there. Let's look at these two. So 46 into 16 plus 37 into 20 divided by 36. This is what we are looking for. This is 36 into 20 plus 20. This is 36 into 16 plus 16 into 10, right? So 16 to 10 is 160 plus 20 is 180. So overall you get 36 into 20 plus 36 into 16 plus 180, which is 36 into 5. So you get overall 36 into 41 and denominator is 36. So 41. So these two will have a combined average of 41. Then you add with another average of 41. The overall average will be 41. I can easily say that none of these cannot be the answer. Option A is your correct choice. Now options are your best friends with these level of calculations. I would have gone ahead and once I eliminated these two, 9 out of 10 times you would get this. An IFT paper very rarely gives you none of the above, but even if it does give, you can be reasonably assured that given such level of coincidences, it's very difficult to have none of the above. But just for our peace of mind, we eliminated that none of the above also by using another value. That finishes this question.